Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Shauna. So before I jump into the video, remember to like the video, share the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Okay, to use this hair food in my hair, I'm just basically going to massage it into my hair. Other things that I'll be using to do this particular hairstyle are my brother's natural hair, some black beads, gold beads, and a headband. I'm also going to be using some Eco Styler gel. So I'm just using the Eco Styler gel around my headline. So today's hairstyle, I am going to be doing a high puff, but this high puff is going to be unique. Alright, so as you can see, one side of my hair is it's not even, it looks lean, but I'm gonna fix that. Alright, so this little section that I take out, basically I'm just plaiting it and just adding my brother's natural hair as an extension because I need a little bit more length, so yeah. This is a hair gel, and this type of hair gel is the olive oil hair gel. So I'm just basically adding it to my hair, right? So I'm just twirling, adding the gel at the tip of my finger and just twirling, and I'm repeating that over and over. I am gonna go right ahead and do my baby hair. So I'm just taking out some hair and I am using the Eco Styler gel to lay my edges. So I'm gonna tie down the baby hair because we need him to be slick, and then afterwards I am going to be air drying my hair and also do my makeup. So now I'm going to be adding the beads to this section that I've plait. I'm using the rubber band to secure the hair end. So I'm using this comb just to pick up my hair a bit, and there you have it. That's the outcome of the hairstyle. Beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, comment down below and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. And it's that time again where I have to say goodbye. Until next time, remember to like the video, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you haven't subscribed as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, so just hit that subscribe button. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Until next time, big up on yourself.